far, far. Please hold my hands. Don't let me drown, oh drown. Why? Never knew I would swim far, far, far. Please hold my hands. Don't let me drown. What above the brim, me they touch my knees. Medics say I no fit breathe. Black on black disease, brother kill brother. OMG, what is this? Composure and steals, gone in more. 2020, Yaxi Max. Before Lotto say na puff. Life on the line, not my sake, no hang up. 23, pon my hip and now we clat it all about. Call my bluff, point I'm straight for your mouth. Friends are foes, so please miss me with deal on chat. Vent to the mic, now they feel like who is that? When I rap, Trace, gotta send some shit out. Call my mom like 3 times, things are not working out. Sister growing fast now, she's in uni, I'm the man I wish could call my pops now, but he never in the picture.
Don't let me
Ain't no pressure make diamonds,
and
the roots can only still go on concrete. You see me? Wealth over poverty, which is right and poor is wrong. You see me?
Don't let me
Insomnia 2 AM, got me mixing strengths. You would think I work for Moby, smoke more gas, I strip pain. My case he passed therapy, he got scammed. OMG, Bobby's broke, frito finito. Friends are forced, the reason stay alone. Ridicule you when you broke, respect you when you up. Always play nice to your face, just in case you blow up. Just in case you come up, them go stick to your boss. Them heartless with no remorse. He go chop cars in mice. Omo Igbo, 10 years counting bro. He no go, he still got my back. We no fold. Streets wise to the core, rotting me bro.
Don't let me drown, I'm sinking down, I need you now. Don't walk away, cause my worst mistakes feel like rising waves. Don't let me go.